Alright guys, welcome back to Soai, and you guys know we're checking out 100 Jamaican / Caribbean restaurants here in New York City. So we're going to keep today's episode a little bit fresh, actually the next 3 episodes. So, I do honest reviews, I go to places and I try to give you guys, the vibe of the spot, what the food tastes like and all that. However, I find that Caribbean restaurants are they're not very consistent. So I thought to myself, why not bring one of you guys out on a little tour around the city checking out some food spots. However, this person today is going to be a subscriber and he's going to be in charge of everywhere that we go to. So I did tell him the spots that I'm interested in. Some of them are actually on my list already. So we are going to head to the very first stop today, which is going to be Datz Deli. Now the cool thing, he gave me some recommendations. One of them I actually posted where I went to the Sunshine restaurant, it's like a vegan spot in the Bronx. So it's gonna be cool to meet him for the very first time today. And I'm gonna see what he thinks about the food. And hopefully we can see if our thoughts correlate or if they don't. All right, let's go find this dude. All right, damn. It's super bright, but we're here with our boy today, A1. We're gonna use your Instagram handle. Matter of fact, shout that out so people can know where to find you.
You already know what it is. It's your boy AYE Dep on the feed. It's __ AYEWONA1. And we out here with my man Soai. Yo, my bro, like I've been following Soai for a long time, since they've been a yard. So we out here. We're gonna come to Datz Deli first.
Yeah.
They opened up like around 12:15, and we got a lot in store today. Because I'm half Guyanese, I'm half Honduran, but it goes into a different segment where I still a yard ma is from Jamaica and Dominican Republic.
Say it the way you said it to me. He says he associates himself
No.
as...
I
identify, yeah.
People want to get up in the morning and say them a giraffe, them a monkey, them a this, them a that. So me get up in the morning and say, you know what? Me not really par with X, Y, and Z. Who me a par with? I be a yard man from Jamaica and me deal with people them from Dominican Republic. 110%, 100 fucking mil. Can I curse?
I'll bleep it out, don't worry.
I'll bleep it out, thank you. So, and it's just so funny. We here in front of Datz Deli, right?
Yeah.
So Datz Deli is known for their mac patties, right? I'm gonna keep it honest with you. I used to work around the area. I never eaten a mac patty here. You know why?
I am glad.
I's a coolie man. I like me rice. Me like me rice. And me like me rice. Me like to eat rice. So I always come here and eat goat, curry goat, curry chicken, rice and peas, or white rice. That's what I eat. So due to the fact they're known for the mac patties, I'm gonna try the mac patties for the first time today with my man Soai. Real rap.
All right, so we out here and
We out here in the Elias.
you showing me peppers, right? And it brought up a question like, you lived here all your life, basically, right?
Yeah, for sure.
What do you think about Caribbean food? Do you find sometimes, like, do you have any concern sometimes telling someone to go check out a spot and then when they go, it's like, it's not hitting that day? Do you find that sometimes?
Yeah, all the time. So I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna bust down all the curries right now for this video. So I'm gonna tell you, curry goat, Jamaicans make the best curry goat. Then come Trini, then come Guyanese. We're gonna move on now. When it comes to duck now, Trinidadians make the best goat. Then come Guyanese. I've never tried Jamaican duck, so I can't,
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Do you know how to fight? You literally calling out all these countries like, yo, you ready to...
So the man wanna know if me know for fight. But I'm gonna tell you this. Jamaican goat, A1. Number 1 on the list. Stop playing with me. Jamaicans make the best goat. Number 2, it's Trinidadian goat. Trinidadian goat, I'm sorry to you Guyanese people, but Trinidadians make the better goat. Boom. When it comes to the curry chicken now, bomba clot, Guyanese. I'm sorry. Guyanese make the best curry chicken. Then it come down to Trinidadian curry chicken, and then Jamaican curry chicken. Then it was a point in my life where people were like, Oxtail curry, Oxtail curry, Oxtail curry. No, stop. Oxtail curry is not where it's at. You gotta stew it. Or you can make it in pepper pot. That's a Guyanese dish. A Guyanese dish is pepper pot, but you cannot curry oxtail. I'm sorry. I've tried it 100 times, and God forgive me, because I'm the type of dude, I never say food is like bad, because at the same time, sometimes you're hungry. You gotta eat what you got.
Yo, don't mind me laughing. So we just went out. I had one beer. Dude decided to have a mezcal. I hope he is. I hope he's doing good.
We good.
I hope he can give an honest review because he's everywhere. But anyway, we we are inside of Datz Deli. As far as I'm concerned, they have maybe about 2 locations. 2 locations, right?
2 locations.
2 locations. This one is in Manhattan, and the next one is
Lower
in.
East Side.
And the next one is.
69 Clinton Street, this location. Hollis, Queens.
Okay, next one is in
Queens
Queens.
get the money.
That's the real one, right?
We all real. I'm Mama Datz. They don't get more real than me. If it wasn't for me, nothing would be.
You hear that?
I'm doing a catering right now, so this is a real spot too.
All right, that's it. So I love the artwork in here. It's very New York pop culture. It doesn't look like one of the typical spots. You can see Statue of Liberty. She's eating the mac and cheese over there. The entire wall is clad with the mac and cheese design because that's what they're most popular, or that's what made them really popular. You know, so.
Mac and cheese is our signature.
Yeah, the mac and cheese patty. And you guys are the ones that did it first, right?
Of course.
There we go. We got to put that out
We
there.
got a lot of copycatters, right?
Yeah.
You know what I had to learn in life? At first I used to get mad.
Yeah.
Now I say it's a compliment.
Yes.
People are copying you. When you got haters in life, you're doing something good in life. So keep getting them haters. I want 20 more.
So we're definitely gonna try the mac.
The oxtail patty.
The oxtail. That's the popular one.
But
Yeah.
to me, do you like jerk chicken?
I love oxtail. I like everything Jamaican. So yeah.
Okay, well, we're from Guyana. The only thing that's Jamaican here is our patty.
Okay.
But everything else is Guyanese. The bread is Guyanese. The cooking is Guyanese.
Okay.
My favorite is the jerk chicken, but it's a little spicy.
Okay.
Everyone comes for the oxtail patty, but there's so many other ones that you can get.
Okay. Yeah, I
I
think.
could give you like one of each or whatever you want.
All right. Let me ask my boy really quick. So you said you were gonna do what? The curry to rice?
Yeah, I'm gonna do curry goat.
With the peas and rice?
Yeah.
Okay. We probably would start off with that
rice?
first. Yeah.
Okay.
Just to see what that is first, and then.
Okay.
Wow.
Fill my patty.
That looks good. And you're gonna show us how you do it, right?
Yes, I'm gonna show you the whole process.
All right. Is you good?
Yeah, I'm
Can
good.
you give a
we're
honest
good,
review?
We're good.
All right.
We're good.
Cool. How many fingers I got up?
2,
All right. Good.
4.
All right, he working. All right, here we go. So this is your favorite thing. This is what you normally get, right?
All right. So the thing is, I've never gotten the mac patty from here. What I usually get, the goat or the curry chicken, and we take it from there.
She said this is a goat curry. My Jamaican people don't kill me. I know it's curry goat, but this is mainly Guyanese food. She mentions that the only thing Jamaican here is the patty.
No. When I cook food, what I do first, I make the curry first, and then I add the poultry or the goat, X, Y, and Z, right? So, I'm not gonna say curry chicken, or no. What Guyanese people say?
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry. I'm not gonna say chicken curry. I'm gonna say curry chicken.
I tell you, I asked you
Curry
before,
Joe.
can you fight? Because we are on their turf right now. We're eating at their restaurant. So I'm gonna say, anyway, they say that this is their goat curry. We're gonna work with that, and that is what it looks like. I haven't even really looked at it so far, but this is what we look like. It's hot, outside is cold.
With the rice and peas.
With the rice and peas. The rice and peas definitely looks a lot different from what I'm accustomed to. It's a little bit more
yeah, it's
clammy.
Yeah, I realized that too.
And that's normal here,
Open
right?
it. Nah, it's not normal.
So it's not normally this clammy.
No, it's not normally this clammy.
I'm gonna start off with the rice first. It's not a shelly rice.
That's what I did. It's not shelly rice. Definitely not shelly rice. But it is good. This is definitely a real Guyanese style. Little too salty to my.
Whoa. The whole time I'm there thinking, I'm like, today feels, this is my first time, but it feels just a little bit over salted for sure.
Yeah, yeah. So that's my thing right now. It's like I usually just get the goat rice and peas. I've never tried the mac patty. It is a little too over salty, but it's not bad.
Definitely a bit more salted. And like I say, sometimes there can be off days. Sometimes you have a little mispour or whatever, because the goat is actually less saltier than the rice, which is usually, I know in my culture when we're gonna make curry goat and rice, the goat is what brings most of that umami, that saltiness, that spiciness, and then the white rice or the rice and peas is a little bit calmer. You know what I'm saying? So when the seasons and stuff goes on to it, you know. But I'm still pretty new to Guyanese food. So you said it's not normally like this. Okay.
No. So right now I got a piece of bay leaf and I got a piece of goat.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna pass on the rice today. Too salty.
Yeah. It is too salty.
I'm so glad I have you here today, bro.
No, in honest to God, like, I keep it real. I keep it a stacked meal. It is too salty. But the goat alone,
It's good.
yeah. And if I was to switch it up again, I would definitely do the goat with the white rice over the rice and peas. No, I usually get both. I usually get goat,
Yeah, 'cause
rice and peas.
where I'm from, we normally have goat and white rice.
Yeah, yeah.
Works best. I don't know what to
But
do in
like I
Guyana.
told you prior, I was just like,
You know, I need to save the day because I'm not gonna do it. I need to have the white rice.
You need the white rice.
I need the white rice.
Me too. Me too. I need the white rice.
This is the part that I hate because if I don't like something, I will say to the owner, and
Oh, say it.
you run the risk of someone being unhappy with you,
Uh-huh.
saying how you feel. But that's just me. I keep it a buck.
Oh, that's me as well. Like, it's salty, but if I was to do it again, I'd do it with the white rice.
Sorry.
Yes,
On the mill.
Is it possible for me to do white rice instead?
I don't have white
No white rice? Okay.
I'm saying
Yeah, no white rice.
they don't got white rice. Okay, so we're gonna be honest, right? With the review, if it was white rice, it would have been fire.
It doesn't matter what it was with, like the rice is salty.
Everything is salty, honestly.
The goat for me is all right.
Everything is salty to me, honestly.
A lot that he thinks that the goat is salty, because like I try to say in my videos too, is that what I might consider sweet or salty or fresh or umami, everybody's tongue is different, so we all interpret
1000%.
food a little bit different. So for me, the goat is It's all right, but for him, it's salty as well.
To me, everything is salty. Too much salty for me. Maybe next time I would get straight white rice, but this here, it's too salty. It's not bad. Not gonna sit here and say it's not good. It is good, but everything together is salty. Let me know if I'm wrong.
You're not wrong. Well, that's all I can say.
My man already closed up shop. That means to show the
Oh.
realistic of it.
Yeah, we gonna go for what I know they're really good at.
Yeah.
You know, which is that mac patty. I think that's
And
gonna be good.
I've never tried the mac patty. So I'm gonna keep it G. If I was to do this again, white rice. Because the rice is salty. So is the goat. The times I've been here, I used to work around the area. It's never been this salty. A lot of times I switch up white rice or rice and peas.
I keep saying it. So there's this girl I saw, she posted on her YouTube. She said, "Oh, Soai went to this soup place and blah blah blah." She went there. She said the festival was tough, and then she said that the soup was bland, and then she said that Soai lied. And in my head, I'm just like, I get it. People clout chase. They're trying to say, they're trying to get something off your name possibly. But I'm like, yo, if you think about it, right? I don't control what restaurants do. This dude,
It's way too salty.
there's
It's
no
way
way.
too salty.
There's no way he can love my content and decide, yo, I'm gonna bring you to this spot. I love the rice and the goat, and he know the food salty. See what I'm saying? It don't make no sense. But today, the restaurant got it a little bit wrong, and it has nothing to do with what he said. I trust and believe that what he said about the goat and the rice, that the food is good. And this is what I'm trying to show you guys with content. It's real. I have no control of what restaurants do. So if I tell you to go to a spot and they mess up on that day, my bad. You know what I'm saying? But besides that, I try to keep it a buck, try to keep it honest with you guys. Yo, I consider myself to be an excellent cook. Have I ever made food
Same.
overly
way
spicy
too
or
salty.
overly salty before? Yeah, it's happened before. I've made those mistakes. So I'm not gonna sit here as not trying to bash anybody, it's just like, what we received today. However,
Nah, my G, but like, yo, me not try to cut you. Me I beat this food.
you're not a good representation right now because you actually finished this thing. And you keep saying
Because you know what? You know what kills me? You know what kills me? I didn't do a prayer before we did this. And I thank God for the food that He has blessed us with. And I love that and I appreciate that. I'm not gonna sit here and say that. But I'm hungry.
So you make it work.
Yeah. You know what? It's my fault. It's my fault. Me and Soai, we out here chilling. We like, yo, start beating food. But we start beating food, and I said, yo, it is way too salty.
All right.
I'm keeping it honest. I keep it honest 100G.
I'm glad,
Right?
I'm glad it's your recommendation and you're being real with it. I appreciate it. All right, we ain't gonna go in anymore on them on that.
Yeah.
We're gonna go check out the Oxtail patty. I'm super excited with that, mac and cheese, and I'm gonna take you behind the scenes if I can. They probably heard you kept on saying, it's way too salty.
It is way too f***ing salty.
All right.
No, but it
All
has
right,
to. No,
all right.
it has to go. It is way too f***ing salty. And no, I'm gonna give benefit of the doubt. I've been here for a year and change. I never get the mac patty because I's a fucking Koliman and me like my rice. I don't want to go that route. I like my rice, so I get my rice, my goat, rice or chicken. But I don't know, today it is way too salty. But you know what? I like it. I ain't gonna lie. It is way too salty. So let's see what's going on in the next one.
All right, so I just went in. The owner asked me what I thought, and I did mention that, you know, it's a little bit salty and stuff. And what I appreciate, she took it like a G. She was like, okay, she understands.
How was everything, young man?
The goat was good. I think me and him, we thought the rice was a bit salty today.
A little bit salty?
Yeah, that's why I wanted the white rice instead.
Yeah, I don't have white rice. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Now they're doing a catering today, and I know I've done a bit of catering before. I know how hectic it can be when you're trying to do catering, and then some content creators pop up, and then, you know, you're trying to accommodate everybody. I would say 95% of my videos or 90% of my videos, the owners, the restaurants don't know I'm coming. I just pop up and I have food like a regular person, so nothing is planned, nothing is scheduled, nothing is orchestrated. The only thing that was planned is that he knows, well, I know the 3 spots we're gonna check out today, hopefully, and we make the content for you guys and we give us your honest review. Well, I give you the honest review on the spot. All right, so once she gets done doing what she's doing, then we're gonna try out the mac patty. I know that's gonna taste good. I saw a dude in there tearing it up, so it's gotta be good today.
All right. So I've been coming here for some odd time, right? I usually get the goat.
Show them your plate. Because there's no way this is salty, and look how you tear up your plate, and look at that.
Me hungry. Me hungry. Me hungry.
All right, so we got a nice little behind the scenes access to the famous mac patty. All right.
Okay, so
What inspired that though? Like, why did you guys just decide to like do something like that?
Okay, so my son opened this deli 3 years ago. And when we first opened our deli in Hollis, Queens, Boar's Head wouldn't sell us meat because of the previous owner. He was giving us a hard time, so my son was every day on what can I create, what can I do different, because there's a deli on every block in New York City. Sometimes there's 2 delis on every block. So he wanted to be something different. So every day he would do something different. And then one day he decided that he wanted to eat a beef patty. So he normally eats it with cheese. And then when he went to look for cheese, there was no cheese left. So he looked at the mac and cheese on the table and he said, wait a second, this has all of my cheese in there. I'm gonna just put it in the patty. And then when he put it in the patty and he cut it open, it just was this beautiful looking thing, right? But then when he cut it open and he looked at it, he looked at my daughter, he goes, Jenny, this is it, this is it, this is it, Daddy, this is it, I promised you.
Wow.
So he said he's gonna put it on the Instagram. We put it on our Instagram. The next day, 5 people came for it. But the last person that came for it, her name was Kendra. And she said, I want to add something to mine though. She goes, let me add some oxtail gravy. So then me and my son, we looked at each other and was like, that's it, Mom. Putting everything in the patty. That's the famous patty.
I love that
And
story.
that's why our patty is named Kendra, because we promised her if it ever went viral, we would name it after her.
Nice.
And so our oxtail patty is called Kendra, okay? Our jerk chicken patty is called the Jerk. You know, I don't know if you're old school. I'm old school. Like Steve Martin had a movie that was called The Jerk.
Yeah.
So the jerk chicken is one's called the Jerk, and then our goat patty is called Drake because he's the goat.
That's it. OVO.
right.
I love that story.
Yes. All right. And so then we start out.
So we're doing a Kendra today, right?
We're
2
doing a
Kendras.
Kendra, yes.
All right.
Okay. We start out. Excuse me one moment. Now we're not Jamaican. We're Guyanese, right? So our bread is not called cocoa bread.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Our bread is called butterfly.
Oh, I learned something.
Butterflap,
Butter
right?
flap.
Yeah, because when you open it, see how soft it is?
Yeah.
You see all the butter running through it? So when it's made, every flap that is made, as it's being made, they flap it, then they put a layer of butter. Then they flap it again, they put another layer of butter. So it's called butter flap.
Okay.
F-L-A-P, flap, right? And then this is the Jamaican beef patty. So we're from Guyana, but there is a Jamaican beef patty involved.
Okay.
But my son considers it a Caribbean fusion.
Nice.
Because at the end of the day, we're all
Caribbean,
Caribbean,
yes.
right? We're all Caribbean, and we're gonna put something together with the different countries and come up with this masterpiece.
Nice.
Right? So this is our mac and cheese. Okay. Mac and cheese. And then this is our shredded oxtail. Now our oxtail is cooked for 6 hours, and then I take my time and I debone it off of the bones,
Nice.
right? And then we soak it in our gravy, the oxtail gravy. All this is fresh seasoning, so it's thyme, it's bay leaf, it's the poppy seeds.
Nice.
Everything is all fresh seasoning. The food does not be cooked unless it's got all these seasonings in it.
Ooh.
You smell it, right?
Yep.
So, like I was telling you before, right? We from Guyana. So therefore, with us being from Guyana, the oxtail is going to taste a little bit like pepper pot.
No.
Right?
There's a specific season, like this spice you guys use in Guyana. What's it
Yeah.
called again?
The allspice?
No, not
The
the.
one that look like the star?
It comes in like a jar, not the star anise. There's something.
Which one?
I can't remember, but the lady, I ate at a Guyanese spot, loved it, and she was just like, they use it in everything. You guys in Guyana.
It depends on what. Like, we use a lot of jeera for curry.
That I think it's jera. Is
yeah,
it jera?
we use jeera, garam masala for the curries, you know?
Ooh, look at that. Oh, the Kendra you said, right?
Yes.
Yo. That looks good.
Yeah.
That looks really good.
So this is our world famous patty, right? We got people that literally come from around the world for this patty.
Of course.
Yesterday we had Belgium, we had Norway, we had Sweden, we had Paris, we've had Wisconsin.
Wow.
Who comes from Wisconsin? We have Tennessee. You feel me? So like people come literally from all over the world for this.
That's what's up. Beautiful.
But it's not finished, right? Because
Oh.
you can't eat an oxtail patty without
It's
oxtail
a gravy.
See how thickenized that gravy is?
Yeah. Wow. That looks good. That's it. This is a famous patty we see all over on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube.
This is our infamous patty, right? This is known all over the world. This is worldwide. We got people copying us,
Yeah.
right? But the copycatters can never get it like this because we're the originators.
that's
we
it.
started this, right? And then you're gonna go and taste it, and you're gonna let me know what you think.
All right, thank you. All right, you ready?
I'm
Make-
always ready. I'm
make
always
sure
ready.
you're
man.
ready, you
What's
know.
up? What's up? Woo!
All right, so here we got their world famous oxtail patty. And she told a story on it, and it's one of those stories I think as an owner you really need to be proud of because they started it and it came out of just pure ingenuity. And yeah, I've seen it a lot of times, even with my content or something that I might do, people will follow the trends. That's a part of life. It happens. You have to take it as a compliment. But if you guys want to come and check out the patties yourself, where it first started, come here, check it out, and tell me what you guys think. This is gonna be my first time having this version. I've had the oxtail patty with mac and cheese several places before, but finally we are at the original spot.
Yeah, and I'm gonna give my little 2 cents. I always come here. I get the goat or the curry chicken.
We're not, no, we're not gonna do, I told you already to not say that again. You
Oh,
mentioned that
shit,
3
my bad, my
times
bad,
already
my
in the
bad,
video.
my bad, my
Oh
bad.
my God.
My bad.
All right, you grab you a piece.
You go first.
All right.
All right, so I'm actually excited to try this out right now. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, let's see what's going on. Yeah, man. Yo,
Hey, yo.
this is definitely pepper pot vibes. 100% pepper pot vibes. Now I see why people come here.
I've been doing this long enough. I've read enough comments from you guys. And there's two types of people. You have the basic persons who will tell you like putting mac and cheese or doing anything else to a patty is being extra. They will tell you that it's just too much going on there, and I completely understand it. Some people, they eat at the same restaurant for like 30 years. But if you're looking for something that is exploding with so much flavors, it's gonna really, really tantalize your taste buds, I'm gonna tell you, definitely try an oxtail or a mac and cheese patty at least once in your life. If you don't like oxtail, go for the curry goat. If you prefer, jerk chicken, go for that. But it's a invention.
Fire. Nah, not for nothing. Me up because like I've been coming here for a hot minute. I usually get the curry chicken, curry goat, and that's what I get because I'm a type of brethren like I love rice. But nah, the mac patty busting.
This is it. It's good.
Yo,
The mac patty.
yeah, come
It's good.
to the camera. How long you know me now?
Yeah, I know you.
And every time I come, I either get the goat or the curry chicken.
Yes,
I just call him man.
yes.
I just call him man.
I
But
know
like,
you calling. You try for be Jamaican.
I'm not trying. I'm not trying to be Jamaican. I Jamaican.
Oh, okay. Because 1 minute you
No, because listen. Guyanese, they love the rice.
Yeah.
Dominicans, they love the rice.
Yeah.
Jamaicans, they love the rice.
Yeah.
I love my rice.
I know.
But this is my first time trying it, and
Patty?
yeah.
I
Since
thought
you
tried
know
the
me,
patty,
since you know me, I always come. I get a goat or the chicken. Goat or the chicken.
Oh, you see, this is a new experience for you. When you're done,
It's a head buzz. It's a head buzz.
Okay, no problem.
the jerk one is really good.
Thank you.
Come on, yo. It's a head buzz. Damn, bro. Now I see why. Now I see why people come here for this. This is definitely a head buzz, bro.
The oxtail, I agree. The oxtail doesn't taste like a Jamaican version of an oxtail,
No. But,
which I appreciate a lot.
uh-huh.
I don't honestly, if I eat Jamaican food on 10 different videos consistently, I'm gonna get bored. So I really like having like something that's different. I love experiencing cultures through food, and this is good.
It's like, it's different on my end because I come here all the time. I get a goat, like, I get a goat chicken. Rice and peas or white rice.
How many times are you gonna say that in the video?
No, but I gotta say it 100 times because like, yo, this right here is bussin'. It is bussin'.
I'm glad we got the candid moment before to see how honest his reactions will be. And if you say that it's good, you know it's good.
Yo, because let me tell you something.
I like rice with my curry.
Me too. Me need my rice. Me need my rice with my curry, but yo, I'm surprised.
I'm not.
Listen, everyone says it's good. I didn't know it was gonna be this good.
You're doing some catering.
Turn it this way. Let me tell you something. If you want to get your caterer on, add Datz Deli. Let us be your +1 this year.
Yeah.
Any holiday parties, do Datz Deli. I want to be your +1 with my food.
Yeah.
All right, so we just left Datz Deli. You guys heard that. You can get your catering done there. The lady in there, the mother, she is amazing, super sweet person. She definitely apologized on the ride. She said it might be a little bit just an extra adobo, which like I said before, it happens. That mac and cheese patty, we've said it far enough. It's really good, and I appreciate that.
Like 100 times in
Yeah.
the video.
Like a million times. And my boy Rice here, Yeah.
I like my rice. I like my rice.
Yeah, she let us know that it was complimentary. So everything that we had was complimentary. My boy was just like, he still gotta leave something, cause you know what I mean. That's how we do. Yeah. Anything you gotta say? Apart from rice.
All right, so yo, real shit. I'm gonna keep it G. Yo, so I always come here and I said rice by. Like I said 100 times before. So I've been no.
You hold the camera.
No.
I can't. You talk to the camera.
Yo. Soai said he tired of me saying rice and repeating myself. But yo, I'm gonna keep it honest. I always come here, I always get goat or chicken with rice and peas or white rice. All right? Because yo, I used to work 12 minutes from here. So I come here, boom, boom, get it, and I'll go back to work. And when I go back to work, no, Soai, come here. I said this already, Soai. I said, lay laugh, it's okay. But yo, sometimes I'm doing a 14-hour shift when I used to work here. So I always told myself like, yo, a Mac patty is not gonna hold me for sorry for my language. A Mac patty's not gonna hold me for 12 hours, 14 hours, whatever the case may be. So I said, fine, I ain't working right now. But boom, bust it down. But yo. That Oxtail potty be bussin'. It bust. I ain't even gonna hold you. I had it, and I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be completely honest because a lot of times when I look at videos online and I see what's quote unquote popping or I see what's quote unquote good X, Y, and Z, I'm like, I usually stray away from it because I've had a lot of situations where it just don't click. But yo, having the oxtail patty at Datz Deli, it busts.
All right, and you love your rice.
It busts.
You love your rice. All right, I gave him his time. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much, and thank you for accommodating this one here on the channel. Like I said, he's a subscriber and he popped in to vibe with the food today. And
no, I'm completely surprised.
I'm about to mute your mic, you know. I'm about to mute your mic, you know. But
Not
see,
do so.
you
Not
already
do
did
so.
it. You already zip it up.
Not do so.
See, they wouldn't be
Not
here.
do
They
so.
wouldn't hear you anyway.
Now
All right.
mute me, Soai.
I can
Now
check
mute
it.
me, Soai. Now mute me, Soai. Easy now. Put me down softly. Put me down softly. Anyways, yo, listen. No, I really have to exaggerate about this, and I'm not exaggerating. I was completely surprised of how good it is at Datz Deli. I was completely surprised.